Hi, this is Prabhakar Mourya, your innovative water expert. In this video, I am going to show you that how to install the mighty K8, yes, Enagic K8 water ionizer with yourself if you have already an under counter RO machine installed at your home. Many people at their homes, they will be having the under counter RO fixed, which has a spout. You can see here, this is the tap which is coming, which is installed for the RO, and the under counter is there below this counter, that RO, and then from here the water will be coming out. In this scenario, the installation of K8 machine is pretty easy. It means that you can do it by yourself. No need to wait for the distributor person sending a technician to you and then get it installed. It is perfectly DIY. Do it yourself. Yes, you can see it now how pretty easy to install a mighty K8 when there is an under counter installed at your home. You will be seeing it now. So now this is the K8 machine which has been received and it is in perfect box condition. You need to have a knife just to cut open the packing, whatever is there. Let me put very strong packing. Normally the warehouse for Kangen is at Bangalore, and you order from any part of the country. The machine get delivered, dispatched from Bangalore warehouse to your location. Yes, and then this is a brown cover you could see here, and there will be also one more cover. That's the main cover of that machine. Be careful when you are opening it. Do not allow children to use knife. Now this is open. Now you can see there's another box. That's the main box. In fact, this is a carriage box. This is a carriage and this is the main box actually. Now I'll be keeping it down and then I'll be taking that main box above. So the moment you take it out, you can see here you have one Enagic, there's a customer feedback form. After the installation, this need to be given to the distributor. It will be a feedback form from your side. Then you have an instruction where it shows that the deep cleaning charges whenever there is a need of a deep cleaning for your machine. Normally the company recommends to get the deep cleaning done once in a year, and then this again depends upon the water quality what is there at your location. If the water quality is having more salts over there, hardness is more, then there is likely there is a chances that this deep cleaning would be needed much more before a year actually. So here is there for HD 501, Platinum, Junior 2, Junior 4 and K8 is somewhere at 2500, and for Super 501 is 3000. So this is a K8, so it will be 2500 rupees after a year. So just for an information. And now again you have here, this is a booklet, the complete manual booklet you have here. So this will be helping you to understand the machine in a better way. So when you have time, keep reading it. If you don't have time, contact your distributor, whoever supplied it. He will be supplying you the information with ready-made. And then this is something more details about that machine. We will be having the complete like a brochure kind of thing. You will be having the whole information that what type of water to be used for what purpose. And this is another book where you will be having all the questions, water related questions will be answered here. And then it's pretty interesting. Do spend time to read all the questions which has been answered in this booklet actually. It's a fantastic book and you get all the questions answered. There are many doubts you will be getting about the ionized water and the types of problems what you are going to face, the white type of scaling formation on the plates and on the glasses, on the bottles. All explanation is given here. Nothing to worry. You can see it. It's a fantastic machine which is going to give you the best quality of water on the earth apart from any other machines. You can see it actually. So this is mighty K8. Just hold on, you will be getting much more information. So here you have different types of this is the accessories, different types of taps, depend on the country you may be needing it. So here we don't need it because this is a RO. So company is providing all this information such that you can use it by yourself. Even this also we don't need it because in countries, in Western countries, normally they get the drinkable standard water in the tap actually. So there you can just fix this one into the tap and then directly you can fix your machine over there actually. But in India, you won't get that quality of water. In India, normally we have a bore, and from there the water is sent to the tank, and from the tank again the water comes in the tap actually. So there is lot many stages where the water get polluted over there. So we rely upon the RO or a filter. So that's where we are going to talk about more on that. So this we don't need it, and this is a power cord. Have a scissor with you, just open the power cord, keep this cable handy, that whatever the lengthy cable remained over there, again you can use the same wire. And this is just but the beauty of this cable is that it has a fuse into it. Whenever there is a power fluctuation, the fuse inside this plug will be blown off, and then again you can replace it. So this will make, and this will provide ample safety to your device actually, because when you are buying a expensive device at your home, the safety of that also is more important. The recommended is that you can have a stabilizer for the complete flat whatever you are living, because it's not only machine you have laptops, you have phones which are much more expensive. So you can have a stabilizer which can regulate the power supply into your home, and then or else this machine is equipped with a fuse over here. Now again you have this is another attachment which we don't need it. Now this is an enhancer bottle. This is an enhancer. This will be required only when there is a need. You need to have a 11.5 or 2.5 pH. For more details, you watch my demonstration video. There you will get the proper details about the usage of 2.5 pH and 11.5 pH. And now I am taking out another box. So this is the box where you see there is already this box has already 6 packets of citric acid. This is needed to do e-cleaning, and e-cleaning company recommends that once in a month, or else if the water quality is not that great, then again it will be needed much more before that, based on the symptoms of the water what you are getting actually. If you are finding more white scales in your water, then it means that it is ready to do the e-cleaning. Else that's perfectly fine. Once in a month you need to do it for have the best performance of the machine actually. So citric acid is given, and then when it is over, you can order it online, enagic.co.in. From there you can go and order it. It will be directly supplied to your home. Cleaning tank, and this is used while doing a e-cleaning process. So to see the detailed explanation of the e-cleaning process, please watch my video in the YouTube channel. There you will be finding the detailed explanation how to do e-cleaning of K8 machine. It also has this is the stopper. In the place of filter, you need to install this actually. This is the mighty K8 machine. Careful. And this is a hose pipe. This is hose pipe needed for taking out the beauty water. When you take the Kangen water, the beauty water comes from this pipe actually. So I'm just keeping it all aside. Yes, so here is your mighty K8. Is one of the best model what it has in this segment. And then be careful here, do not over tight this particular hose, because when you over tight, then there is a crack formed over here actually. So do not over tight it, gently you just tight it, and when it is done, then you can tilt to your way how you want it. And this is a stopper. Keep this stopper along with this box, or else you can keep in this box in a handy. Why? Because when you are again traveling, and then you want to keep this machine along with you and then take it, so there will be some water droplets left out in the machine. The moment you keep it this one, then you won't find any water coming out from the machine. So it saves your packing over there. So keep this one handy, do not throw it off. And then this white color pipe is the inlet pipe. Again, this also has a stopper. Even this also, the moment you take it out, don't throw it off, keep it. It will be useful for you. And here you can see a small little pipe is there. This is a pipe, it's a secondary pipe. Even that also has a stopper. Normally this pipe can be kept as it is when you do not want to store the beauty water and then use it for your bathing purpose. And for what the beauty water is used, please watch my demonstration. There you can see that the benefits of beauty water, and then it nourishes your skin actually. Inside the water, inside the body, we need alkaline water, and then the skin needs acidic water. So when you take the alkaline water from this hose pipe, you will be getting the acidic water from this pipe, and this pipe water can be stored again for your usage for bathing and the cleaning purpose over there. If you have that, again you could have seen this secondary hose pipe. So there is a process to remove this one actually. When you see here, you need to open this tank. Just press it, open it, and then you can see there is a small lever kind of thing actually, this one. When you press it front, this will come down. This comes down like this, and then keep it aside. Take this hose pipe and then fix it in the hole from where the earlier pipe was fixed it. Be careful, do not use pressure, do not use force. Very gently you need to fix it. If it is not going gently, then check for the proper position of that, and then you insert it actually. And then after it is gone, then slowly you press this lock. It will just lock it. If it is not going, then try to adjust it. Now it's done. So the moment it's done, it's clear. So I recommend always to use the beauty water. Have another 20 liters can kept aside. In that you can collect the beauty water and then use it for your different purposes. This is the enhancer tank. You need to see here, you can see the arrow mark over here. So the moment you rotate it like this anti-clockwise, the moment this arrow coincides, then the lid opens. And then take your enhancer bottle. This is the enhancer bottle. Open it, pour it to the tank. It's done. Again, while closing it, same thing. Match the arrow. You can see this arrow mark. Match the arrow, and then place in, rotate it in clockwise direction. That's it. It's done. So again, I am placing it back. Done. Now the power point need to be fixed up. So this power cable is similar to the if you have a desktop at your home, the CPU will be having the power cable. So this particular slot is similar to that. You can see it and then install it in the same way. Just be careful while installing, and then make it that it is fixed firmly. Sometimes what happens that you fix it loosely, then there won't be any power inside the machine actually. So that you need to be attentive on that. So yes, done. The machine is ready for operation. Let's fix it in the position, and then we will switch on the machine. And I will be showing you complete a short demonstration by using the water, all types of pH, what we are getting here. Now here the power socket is a universal type. So in fact this is a US type of socket. In India, some socket doesn't allow the flat pins to go inside actually. So there you need to have an adapter, and then only you will be able to fix it. As this particular adapter is a universal type, so you don't need to worry about it. Straight away you can fix it, and you can start using it actually. That's it. You can see here, the moment I switch on, yeah, that's it. So it's powered on. Now for the time being, I'm keeping this hose pipe in the sink, and very simple, just you need to push it. That's it. The moment you push it, it's in, and then you can open the tap, and then now just the moment you open the tap, the water start going down. So the moment goes in, mentions that there is a flow over here, and the water goes in. So you can see the water is coming out from that hose, and then you have pH 9.0, pH 9.5, pH 7.0, beauty water, and 2.5 pH water. So for more details of all these types of water, you need to see my demonstration video where you get all the details about all these types of water, how to be used, and all other things actually. Thanks for watching my video. See you in my next video with another informative information about water ionizer. So stay tuned. Please subscribe my channel, and do comment if you have any doubts. We are here to answer your all queries. Make sure that you have a water ionizer at your home to give the family the best health with the best water on the earth. That's Enagic Kangen water ionizer water to you.